Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to lower your Cadillac Escalade. Lowering your Escalade offers several benefits, primarily enhancing its aesthetic appeal with a more aggressive, custom stance. Beyond looks, a lower center of gravity can significantly improve handling dynamics, reducing body roll during turns and providing a sportier feel. This modification allows for a personalized touch, making your luxury SUV truly unique on the road. There are several popular methods to achieve a lower stance for your Escalade. Drop springs are a straightforward and often budget-friendly option, typically lowering the vehicle by 1 to 3 inches. For more versatility, air ride suspension systems allow you to adjust the ride height on demand, offering both comfort and performance. Alternatively, drop spindles or control arms can lower the vehicle without changing the spring rates, maintaining a factory-like ride quality. Before lowering your Escalade, it's crucial to consider a few key factors. Think about how the modification might impact your ride comfort and overall daily drivability, as a lower stance can sometimes lead to a firmer ride. Budget is also important. Costs can vary significantly, from a few $100s for simple drop springs to over $3,000 for advanced air ride systems. Always ensure a professional alignment is performed afterward to maintain proper handling and tire longevity. Deciding between a do-it-yourself installation and professional help depends on your skill level and available tools. While DIY can save you money, it demands specific mechanical knowledge and equipment to ensure safety and proper function. Professional installation guarantees correct fitment, often comes with a warranty, and ensures your vehicle's integrity. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.